guys, welcome back to my channel. For anyone new here, my name is Alana. Today's video is going to be a little bit jam-packed, but it's going to be super chill. You're going to love it. I'm going to do a makeup look and I'm going to use mostly Charlotte Tilbury products. I'm going to be re-reviewing the Charlotte Tilbury Beauty Light Wands. I made a video on those about 9 months ago now and you guys have loved it, and I've had quite a few questions asking whether or not I still have the ones that I bought 9 months ago, whether I've had to buy new ones, what's my thoughts on them now. So I'm just going to have a little chat about those. I'm also going to be showing you how I style my bangs with the Dyson Airwrap. And for today's look, I've painted my nails red, so I'm going to do a little red lip look. This is the look that I would do if I was going on a night out, if I was going on a date night, if I was just doing something a little bit more glam. It'll be super classy, super simple. You're not going to need lots of products, so let's just get started. Okay, so guys, first of all, I wanted to show you my little makeup bag because it is so cute. It's so dainty. This is all the makeup I own. I absolutely love this makeup bag. It was only like $3 in Kmart. I'll try and link it in the description, or one similar if you guys want to get one similar. Open it up and it's just so easy to like root around in the bag. For anyone who doesn't know what root around means, by the way, that's such an Irish saying. I think it just means like hoke. Remember, that's also an Irish saying. It just means look. It's easy to find the makeup that you're looking for. First thing that we're going to get started with is primer. Like, I just cannot describe to you how beautiful this primer is, and I've actually seen quite a lot of people rave about this primer, and it is worth the rave. It is so good. I don't know, I hope that you guys can see that. I'll just let it focus a wee second. Feels so nice in your skin, and it just instantly adds a glow. Like, I just really hope the camera can pick this up. If it can't, you're just gonna have to trust me, because if it was a load of crap, I would tell you that it was a load of crap. I don't know whether you guys can see, but like, I can just see that already. This side of my face, where I've added it, is so much more glowy, so smooth. It's lovely. I dare say it's the best primer I've ever used. It just instantly makes your face look glowy and alive. Love it. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna get my makeup brushes out because I need this for the next look. And these are from Mecca, and my sister actually bought these for my 30th birthday, and these brushes are so good. And I just love the tub that they come in. Because what I do is I set this bit down, and whatever brush I've used, I put it in here so that I know that this needs washed, and I just like move them across depending on what ones I use. So I love that. And they're just generally really, really good brushes, and they're really affordable. The bristles do not come out, because I've had brushes in the past where after only like a month or two of having them, the bristles start to come out. That does not happen with these brushes. I'm gonna use the Hollywood Flawless Filter by Charlotte Tilbury. Guys, if you've heard amazing reviews about this, they are all true. It is amazing. I love it. I'm probably gonna use this product forever. I do not use foundation. I only use this because you can build it up. Personally, I like a super natural base. I don't like it looking too makeup-y. I don't like it looking too thick. I have had this for 9 months as well, and like, there's still so much in it. So much in it. And this just adds a beautiful glow to your skin, especially along with the Brightening Youth Glow by Charlotte Tilbury. It just really, really complements each other. Every time I wear this, people are always like, what have you got on your skin? It looks so glowy. It looks amazing. And I'm like, it's this, it is this. Now guys, I'm gonna leave that there because I'm quite happy with the coverage that is just giving me. I'm gonna add on my concealer next. This is the Rimmel Lasting Radiance, and again, this is the same concealer that I used in the last video that I recorded 9 months ago. I've seen that lots of people have been doing this, where they've like been stroking it up the ways. So that's what I've started doing too, because it's meant to like give you like a little illusion of like an eye lift. Doing this is what all like the TikTokers are doing, the young ones. I thought that I try and fit in. Whilst I let that set, this is the Incredi Brow Gel, and this is from the brand Collection. This was literally like, I don't know, something ridiculous, like £3. And the last video I recorded, I was still using one that I'd bought from like 3 years previous. So you'll all be glad to know that this is a new one. I've actually had this for about 2 months now, and it's just so good. Like, I love it. It's so affordable. Sometimes I just feel like a brow gel is a brow gel. I personally haven't used a lot of brow gels, but from being a model, I've had a lot of brow gels used to me, and they're all the same. Like, kind of reluctant to like spend like any more than like £3 on a brow gel whenever I'm like, I'm pretty sure they're all gonna do the same job. Like, I know a lot of people rave about the Benefit brow gel, the Charlotte Tilbury brow gel, but they're like what, like 20, 30 quid, and I'm like, this is £3, £3, and it gives me a tint like what I want, keeps my brows up and makes them look on fleek. Is that the saying, brows on fleek, or is that like, do people not use that term anymore? Show my age. Okay, right, I'm just gonna use a little to just dab in my concealer. You really can notice like the little lift that gives you. It's pretty incredible. Guys, I'm gonna do my eyeliner, my mascara, and then I'm gonna move on to the Charlotte Tilbury Beauty Light Wands. I'm just using a little gel pot of liner, and it's from Maybelline. I've been using this for a long time, like maybe like 10 years. This is a different one, by the way. I have not been using the same one for 10 years because these dry out. They like force me to buy them a new one. So I just do under the lash line first before I put anything on the lid. There we go, guys. That is the winged liner complete until I put mascara on, and then I might touch it up a little bit. I'm actually quite happy with those little wings. I feel like they've turned out very well. Guys, I'm going to be using the Lash Paradise L'Oreal mascara, so I'm going to put on the primer first. I do find that a primer definitely does help. Now, you don't want the primer to dry in too much, otherwise the mascara will go on really clumpy. So guys, as you can see, this little duo is actually very good. Look at the difference. Guys, there we go. That is the lashes done. So now we're going to move on to the Charlotte Tilbury Beauty Light Wands. And I can reveal that I actually do have the same ones that I bought like 9 months ago. They are still going strong. So I think these are actually only, is it 12 mil? Yeah, 12 mil. And whenever you get them, honestly, it feels like they're like this full. But there's so much more in it than what you realize. Like, I felt like there was mostly air in it whenever I first got them. I don't know whether you remember my first video, but I was like, what the hell? It like feels like there's hardly anything in it. But they go a long way, and you only need a little bit. I'm gonna start by using the first one. So this is the one that I use for contouring, and this is in shade light to medium. I will link the exact one that I get in the description of this video, so you know the exact color that I use. Now, the trick with these is there is like a little like nozzle here. This is quite dirty, so I do apologize. And it says on and off. You want to make sure that you always have these off, because one time I made the mistake of leaving it on, and then whenever I pulled it out, lots of liquid had just squeezed out into the lid, and it was just wasted. I was very, very upset whenever that happened. I'm over it now. Maybe I'll do that like TikTok, Instagram like hack that's going on right now, where everyone puts like their contour, their blusher, their highlighter on at one, and then just all blend it in at the same time. Let's try that. We're gonna do that. Okay, right. So if you guys remember, you put some dots here. This just needs to go directly under your cheekbone. Then some up around your forehead. Then a little dot on each side of your nose. Then under the chin, to define that chin. Honestly, guys, I still have so much left in this, and just for reference, I probably wear makeup at least 3 times a week, sometimes 4, depending if I'm doing a lot of filming. If you're wearing makeup every single day, they probably wouldn't last you as long, but they go so much further than what you realize. This is the highlighter that I'm putting on, and I have this in the shade Spotlight. So many people have bought this since my last video. I've had so many people absolutely love it. Like, guys, honestly, the glow that just adds, it's just kind of next level. It's gorgeous. I get a lot of people asking what highlight I use. Then you do 2 big spots on your forehead. We're gonna go down the bridge of our nose. We're gonna do the lip line. So I've just put more on my lip than the actual lip line. I also put it under the lip line, and then a bit on the chin. Now we're going to move on to the blush, which I absolutely love. So this is in the shade Pinkgasm, but guys, I'm going to be linking all 3 of the exact ones that I use in the description of this video, okay? And we're going to put a little bit on our nose. And I'm actually going to put a little bit on my forehead as well. So guys, there we go. Now we're going to blend it all in. I usually use different brushes to blend each thing in, but now that like I'm blending it all in together, do I use the same brush? Do I use a sponge? No, I think I'm actually going to go for this brush. Let's go for this brush. Okay, right. Let's start off with the contour. Now let's kind of move up to... Oh yeah. This is really working. I'm gonna blend in the chin, the lips. Now let's do the nose. Oh yes, this is, oh, love this. This is so quick and easy. Usually I'm like changing brushes, highlighter brushes and bronzing brushes and all that sort of shit. Guys, you literally just need one brush. I'm telling you, the makeup industry, they're selling us a lie. They want us to buy all this stuff for no reason. Guys, that has just worked an absolute treat. What do you think? Okay, so that is just not enough blush for me. So this usually happens. So I'm gonna add a little bit more. Yeah, that's more like it. And guys, you want to always make sure that you're going up the ways with your makeup. You never want to be like pulling your skin down, because naturally gravity is always pulling your skin down. You always want to make sure that you're pushing it up, you know, to prevent those wrinkles. Keep it lifted. Beauty Light Wands by Charlotte Tilbury, complete on the face. What's your thoughts? Comment below. Do you love it? I love it. Now we are going to do the red lip. We're going to be using a Maybelline lipstick, and this is called Orange Danger. So this has got like a real orangey tone to it, and I love an orangey lipstick, especially for summer. Gorgeous. Now I'm going to go in with a lip liner. So this is by Sleek and it is Rouge 307. Again, I'm going to link all the products I'm using in the description so you can shop them. So this is a slightly darker red. I just find that I like a little bit of a darker lip liner with a more brighter lipstick. Go. Guys, I dare say I've never put on a red lip so perfectly in my life. So guys, I play with all the attachments to style my bangs, so I can style them with the smoothing brush attachment, with the round brush and with the curling barrel. But today I'm going to show you style your bangs with the curling barrel. What we're going to do is we're going to bring the bangs together. And this first little step that we're going to do is just going to help give the bangs a little bit of volume and have them kind of sit up away from your head, the way everyone's doing this day and the way that we all love. High heat, high speed, let's go! I look like something out of Grease. Okay, so if I had my hair curly or if I was wearing it up, I would leave my bangs like that, but I have my hair wavy today, so I've just done that to add a little bit of volume to the bangs. So now I'm going to do the second step. There we go. That has just added a little bit of a wave, and that fits in with the rest of my hair that's a little bit wavy, and I'm just going to do the same now to the side. I'm just going to quickly sort out the rest of this hair, and this is literally all I do. I tip it upside down, give it a big shake. I give it a good brush, and there we go. Voila! I'm ready for date night. Only it is 10:30 in the morning and I'm actually ready for breakfast. So guys, that brings us to the end of this video. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please let me know if there's any other makeup looks you would like me to recreate, and please let me know your thoughts on the Beauty Light Wands, or if there's any other makeup or Charlotte Tilbury products out there that you recommend, because I'm always looking to try new things and test it for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed it. I will be linking all the products that I've used in this video in the description, so if there's anything you want to shop, it will be below. Hit subscribe if you would like to see more. I upload a video every Sunday. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.